Hi, my dear students. You are going to listen NCRT Class 6 English, Purvi textbook, Unit 1, Fables and Folktales. This is the new NCRT textbook. The first lesson is a bottle of dew. Dew means tiny drops of water. Let us do these activities before we read. Circle the picture that matches with each word. Check your answers by sharing them with your classmates and teacher. First one is worried. Which face shows worried? Yes, this face. This is a happy surprise face. Which is the picture of a plantation? Yes, this is the picture of a plantation. This is a picture of a tree. Who is a sage? Yes, this is a picture of a sage. This is a vegetable seller. Which face looks surprised? Yes, this face. Now answer these questions and discuss them with your classmates and teacher. Think of a time when you worked hard. What did you do then? So you can write about any situation in which you worked hard. In the kitchen, I helped my mother. I went to the kitchen to make food when mama was not there. Then you cooked food. Then you helped your parents in the garden digging the soil. Anything you can write. How did it help you? It helped me to be more confident, right? How did it make you feel? It made me feel proud and excited, happy, anything you can write. Now let us read the story of Ramnatha. Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him large tract of land when he died. So Ramanatha's father died and father has a large area of land. So Ramanatha is the owner of that large tracts of land. But Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. Ramanatha was not ready to take care of the land. This was because he had a funny idea. Ramnatha had a funny idea. What is the idea? He believed there was a magic potion. Potion means a liquid with magical elements, magical properties that could turn any object into gold. So Ramnatha believed that there is a magic a liquid that is exist in the world that will change all the object in this world into gold. Then why should I work hard in the field? I can get the potion. He spent all his time to learn more about this potion. He asked many people. People cheated him often, promising to tell him about it, but he did not give up. Why? What happened? People cheated after getting money and after promising that I'll give you the potion. They never find or gave this potion. And but Ramadada never give up. Give up means stop trying. Ramanada continued trying. Then what is his wife name? His wife Mathumati was tired of this and also worried because she saw how much money Ramnada was spending. Why Ramnada's wife Madhumati is very much worried? She is worried because she knows that so many people are cheating Ramnada and spending a lot of money for that. She was sure that soon they would be without money, and after some time, what will happen to the family? They will lost all the money. One day, a famous sage called Mahipati. So, sage means the person who has some magical powers or living a very simple life, sannyasi. Ramnatha became his follower and asked him about the potion. Ramna asked to the sage also, can you give me the potion, that liquid, magical liquid? To his surprise, the sage answered, yes, in my travels in Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion. But it is difficult. What the sage said, yeah, when I was in Himalaya, I heard a lot about this magical liquid. I know how to make it, but it is little difficult. Are you ready? Tell me, requested Ramanatha, not believing his luck. So Ramanatha said, please tell me, But he is not thinking that he is a lucky, but he said, please tell me. You have to plant a banana plant and water it regularly with your hands. What the sage said, plant some banana plants, then give water with your hands. In winter, the morning dew is on the leaves. Winter time and all, you will see water drops on the leaves. Dew means water drops. You have to collect the dew and store it in a bottle. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. See, 5 liters of dew, he has to collect it from the banana leaf. I will chant some magic words. Chant means to repeat or sing some words, which will turn it into the magical potion. So that chant, that sing or word or phrase will change this dew into a magic potion. A drop of the potion will change any object into the gold. So you collect how many? 5 liters of dew, and each drop will change an object into gold in future. Oh my god, poor Ramnath. Ramnatha was worried, but winter is only for a few months. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. Isn't it? Drop by drop, Ramnatha has to collect. What? How much time it will take? How many years will take to collect 5 liters? He was worried. You can plant as many banana plants as you want. You can plant many banana plants, then you will get the dew very fast. But remember, you must look after them yourself and collect the dew with your own hands. You cannot ask anybody's help. You have to do it alone. Who said? The sage said. What did Ramnada believe? Ramnada believed that some magic potion or a magic liquid could help him to turn every object into gold, and he was trying to get or make it with the help of the other people. Now, how did the sage help Ramnada? The sage helped Ramnada by telling the secret way of making the potion, that is the magic liquid. Do you think Ramnada will be able to collect the dew? Give a reason. Yes, Ramnada will be able to collect the dew because he is willing to do anything to get the potion, the magic liquid. Now let's continue the potion. Ramnada went home and after talking to his wife, started cleaning his large fields, which had been lying empty all these years. So he started cleaning the large fields. There he planted rows and rows of banana plants. He planted many banana plants to collect the dew. He tended them carefully during the winter months and collected the dew that formed on them with great care. Tended means looked after. Our Ramnatha looked after all the banana plants and collect the dew during the winter months very carefully. His wife helped him too. How the wife helped? Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market, and got a good price for it. So Madhumati got a lot of banana fruit, and Madhumati collected it and sold it to the market for a very good price. They earned a lot of money. Over the years, Ramnatha planted more and more plants, and they had a huge banana plantation. Every year, Ramnatha planted more and more and more banana plants, and just imagine Madhumati sold the banana fruits also. At the end of the 6 years, he finally had 5 liters of dew. So 6 years, Ramnada worked very hard and finally he got 5 liters of dew. Wow. Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered. Muttered means spoke in a very low voice, something over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, try it out. You try in something. Try, take a drop of dew, then sprinkle it. Ramnada sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn into gold. You think it became gold? No. To his surprise, nothing happened. All these 6 years he worked hard and he tried it in a copper vessel, but nothing happened. This is cheating, he told the sage. He became little worried and angry. This is called cheating. You cheated me. I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. My valuable 6 years you I wasted. But sage Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. So wife came forward. She came with a big box. Who came with a big box? Box Madhumati. When she opened it, inside shine stacks of gold coins. What was there in the big box? There was gold coins. How Madhubadi got all these gold coins? Now the sage turned to the very surprised Ramnatha and said, the sage said to Ramnatha, there is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. In this world, there is no magic liquid to turn the things into gold. What is that? You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. While you looked after the trees, your wife sold the fruits in the market. That is how you got this money. If you work hard, you can get the money, gold, whatever you need. It was your hard work that created this wealth, not magic. Nobody can make wealth using magic. You have to work hard and get the wealth. If I had told you about this earlier, you would have not listened to me. So I have played a trick on you. Actually, it was a trick to make you a hardworking person. Ramnatha understood the wisdom, that means the deep understanding behind these words, and worked even harder on his plantation from that day on. So Ramnatha understood that the sage, whatever the sage did, is good for him. And he started working even harder and he earned a lot of wealth. This story is written by Sudhamurthy, the Indian writer. Now, first question, why was Ramnatha angry? Ramnatha took the bottle of the collected dew to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered something over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said to try it out. Ramnatha sprinkled a few drops on the copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. But to his surprise, nothing happened to the vessel and he became angry. Now, the next question. How did Ramnatha and Madhumati create wealth? You all know. Ramnatha started cleaning his large field, which had been lying empty all the years when he uh, the words from the sage and planted rows and rows of banana plants. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them with great care. His wife helped him too. Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market, and got a good price for it. And Ramnada planted more and more plants, and they had a huge banana plantation. And his wife Madhumati sold all the fruits to the market and earned all the wealth. So they earned money like that. So this is the end of this section, and the next section will be in the next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe the channel and watch it later. Okay, bye. See you in the next class.